Hello, my name is Karina Chala, an industrial engineer student. I am going to perform the interpretation of the linear programming exercise. The primal simplest method, the letter B. American factory company most products 33.15 units of type 2 ecological. Break with profit of 3,500 United States dollars per unit and 14.11 unit of type 3 ecological. Break with a profit of 4,000 United States dollars per unit and must not produce any unit of type 1 ecological brick. To maximize production, profit and 172,465 United States dollars and 75 cents. Thank you.